This picture gives information about a view of a beach. From the picture, we can see there is a lot of yellow sand in the beach. Also, many small boats have been placed ashore. Some people are walking on the top of a dam. On the dam, a light post stands, which is very high. Finally, many trees grow on a hill. In conclusion, this is a beautiful beach where there are many tourists. This bar chart gives information about estate sales. From the picture, we can see in London the value is 260. In Tokyo, the number is higher, which is 275. The highest one is in New York, around 310. And the lowest point is in Paris, just 250. The value of Sydney is more than 250. To sum up, the graph tells about estate sales. This bar chart gives information about pollutant emissions by industrial sector. From the picture, we can see in utilities the value is 200. In transportation, the number is higher, which is 240. The highest point is in manufacturing, around 300, and the lowest one is in agriculture, just 90. To sum up, the graph tells about pollutant emissions. This bar chart gives information about passenger preference analysis by air route. From the picture, we can see in SF to Sydney, the value is 79. In NY to London, the number is higher, which is 84. The highest point is in LA to Tokyo, around 86, and the lowest one is in Boston to Berlin, just 72. To sum up, the graph tells about passenger preference. This bar chart gives information about the green coverage rate. From the picture we can see in Mexico City, the value is 33. In London, the number is higher, which is 35. The highest point is in Sydney, around 43, and the lowest one is in Tokyo, just 19. To sum up, the graph tells about the green coverage rate.